I think we'll start with the session. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Okay, so I would first of all like to welcome architect Shlok Modi, and I would want to introduce Shlok to everybody else as well. Those who are here, Shlok, today we have our current final year students, fourth year students, I
Okay.
suppose, and few third years as well. Okay,
Okay.
and
Okay.
to all those who are present here, and obviously I don't want to forget mentioning two of our alumni are also present here. One is Akshay and one is Reni. So I
Okay.
welcome them as well, and Pooja Jain has just joined us. So I welcome them as well. Uh,
Hello, everyone.
so am I audible or I just got locked off? I don't know. Okay,
No,
yeah,
ma'am,
I'm
you
there.
are audible. We can
Okay,
hear you.
yeah, just a minute. Yeah. So I remember Shlok, I taught him in his fourth year. I remember I taught his batch landscape architecture. And
Yes.
it is really good to know that you are practicing landscape as well, apart from architecture and interior. So I feel I take a little pride in that. So don't mind. So Shlok is a 2018 graduate from School of Planning and Architecture, Purnama University. Um, I remember him as a notorious but a sincere student. Okay, so he was naughty. I don't lie. I have to be honest to other students as well, those who are currently studying here, because they should know how to balance, fun and work both. So
Right.
I think this could be one experience they can take away from you in today's session. If you can, touch base that point as well, that how to have fun while studying architecture, yet do your submissions on time and work timely. Because I remember your submissions were never late, at least in my subject. So I know that you were a sincere student, but yeah, you used to have all the fun as well. So I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
we can, yeah. Sorry.
लैंडस्केपिंग वाज वन ऑफ द दो सब्जेक्ट्स जिसमें थोड़ा टाइम पे था, बाकी सब पे तो लेट ही रहते थे।
अरे अच्छा चलो ठीक है, बट एटलीस्ट कोई एक सब्जेक्ट तो टाइम पे था ना. बट यू
राइट।
कैन बट सिंस यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग 2018 से तुम काम कर रहे हो एंड प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, you could help guide our students how to manage fun and work as well in
I
that case
I
maybe.
I hope to do that only, ma'am. I hope to do that. Let's see.
Okay, great. So I would like to tell you all that I Shlok is principal architect of SM Architects. He has opened his office in his hometown in Uttar Pradesh, right? Shlok?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So it. We are all proud of you. And without any further ado, I think I can. I mean, you can take over, Shlok, uh,
Okay.
and you can start with your presentations. And when and where you need me, just let me know.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay. Over to you.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I hope I am audible and you can see the screen. Ma'am, can you see the screen?
Yes, Shlok,
Yes.
yes, Shlok.
Yeah.
You're audible and your screen is also.
Both. Mhm.
Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. So first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank uh, SPA for not only helping me reach where I am, but also for organizing these sessions. Because personally, I believe that if any student pays a little attention to these and uh, thinks about these things on a bit broader scale, he or she might get a lot of help from it. So yeah, that's it. And let's start with it. So basically, I would like to start by giving a little introduction about me. I am an architect based in Shahjahanpur. It's a small town near Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Uh, I am crazy about alignments and perfectionism. I am deeply research and brevity oriented. I am absolutely highly obsessed with architect Charles Correa. I mostly try to narrate stories through spaces, and I try to focus on mini milestones instead of trying to have some huge goals and achievements which overpower us or which often become overwhelming. And I try to provide justice to each and every project that I do. These names that I have written in bracket, CP sir and Anupam sir, I would like to tell their stories first. So, about alignments and perfectionism is that during my third year, in fifth sim, I did an unofficial kind of internship with CP sir. I don't know if whether how many of you know about him, architect Chandrapal Bhati. He was our faculty for more than a year, and he taught us building construction and services. So during one summer vacation after second year, I went to him and I was like, sir, I wanted to learn. If there is any space available in your office, can I come and would you be able to have time and would you be able to accommodate me? He was more than uh, he was more than kind enough to let me, and I had planned to keep it just for 25 days or 30 days. But even after the commencing of college, I kept on going to him because the amount that I had learned just being in his office for a month was exuberant. Like it was humongous. The things that I got to know because in his office, it was like just I was there and there was one other guy, and so everything from managing office to going to sites, everything was done by us. So at that time, I remember perfectly, he taught me that if there is, suppose there is a bedroom, the width of the window in front of the door should be similar to that of the door. So this was a very tiny thing, but when I practice now, I can relate to what he meant and how huge its effect is. So that was about him. And next, there is this one of the best architects around Bareilly and Shahjahanpur is architect Anupam Saxena. I'm sure most of you wouldn't have heard his name because he's not a believer of making a website or showcasing your project. I got an opportunity to interact with him a few months back, and this was one of the line that he taught me was that no matter what, you should always try to provide justice to each and every single project of yours. For students, that can be like their thesis or their design process. So yeah, I think that is the sum up of me and my architecture related life here. Now, I would like to firstly start with giving a few details, not few details, basically a few stories regarding my thesis. So the title of my thesis was Museum of Architecture, a tribute to architect Charles Correa. As I mentioned, I am highly obsessed with him. So I wanted to, from third year itself, I wanted to uh, have such a thesis topic which would help me get in deeper sense of design within myself. And architect Charles Fourier is one of those whose work, whose essays, whose theories have always inspired me. So my thesis was a tribute to him, and yeah. So basically, this was a site in Ladakh uh, near Saket in Delhi. And I would like to thank our thesis coordinator, architect Naresh Nakra sir, and our thesis guide, my thesis guide, Himanshu sir. Other than that, I would like to thank faculties who helped me during my thesis because uh, many of the time I discussed this topic with, I think, mostly every faculty present around there, including Akansha ma'am, Kavita Khatri ma'am, and Yash sir. And the reason was that Museum of Architecture is such a topic that each and every individual architect has a different opinion, different view about it. Each one, like with every faculty that I discussed, they had something or other unique to offer or to share. So, being it a tribute to Charles Correa, I had a lot of help in minimizing it. And yeah, so there's this interesting story I would like to share about this thesis. Uh, During the second year, I asked for a help from one of my batchmate, and basically I was lacking on some sheets, and she had some extra. I asked her if she could maybe lend one to me or help me out with my sheet, and her response was not only rejecting but kind of insulting, which pinched me that कि तू क्यों नहीं करता मेहनत, तू आलसी है, तेरी गलती है, हमारी गलती थोड़ी ना है, etc etc. So I made it a point within myself that these things may come and go, but I have to do a project in such a way that people would want my design sheets. And that only happened after I did this plan. By the way, this all rendering and this basic plan is done in AutoCAD itself. Within half semester of our thesis, she saw that plan, that same batchmate of mine, and she came to me and she was like, यार ये श्लोक तेरी शीट बहुत अच्छी है, तेरा प्लान बहुत अच्छा है, तू एज इट इज पूरी थीसिस मुझे दे दे, तेरे को जो चाहिए तू बोल और ये तू पूरी थीसिस मुझे दे दे. So that is how the table turned, and that is what made me not quit and not to take her words, her insult in a negative way, but to take it as a positive criticism. And yeah, so this thesis sheet of mine, this was selected in top 10 for zone 1 awards or something. They wanted a CD explaining the design. I couldn't give it, so it didn't reach further. But yeah, it went ahead, and
This this was for the best thesis award in COA that we sent.
yes, yes, right,
Yes, this
right,
was
okay.
selected for that. Yes.
Okay, so yeah, it was about that. In fact, so हम लोग जैसे कॉलेज में होते हैं, सब लोग की केयरलेस होते हैं और चीज़ों पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते, स्पेशली स्ट्रक्चर जैसे सब्जेक्ट्स और उसके एग्जाम्स को लेके. आई वाज द सेम एंड आई वाज नो डिफरेंट. सो during a theoretical exam of structures, uh, I was careless and I slept during the exam in the exam hall itself. So I'm telling you guys this so that you don't commit the same mistake. I did sleep, and when I woke up, I got blank. Like I was absolutely blank. मेरे को कुछ भी उससे related याद नहीं आ रहा था structure से. और the result was that I got a back in it. और उस टाइम पे लगता है कि अरे हाँ यार क्या है, बैक ही तो है, स्ट्रक्चर की बैक है, ठीक है, हम ओवरकम कर लेंगे और क्या फर्क पड़ता है, सिर्फ बैक का एग्जाम देना होगा एंड ऑल दैट. बट it was after that this thesis that I realized how huge of a mistake it was, because as per our university, and I think those are norms similar for every university, that if you have gotten a back in any subject in any semester, you are not eligible to receive a gold medal. So, because of that carelessness of mine, even though I got the highest score, highest CGPA in this thesis, but I couldn't get the gold medal. So, I just hope that you guys take this as a lesson that ठीक है, कॉलेज में फन करना, मजे करना सब बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी, आगे की लाइफ इजी कुछ भी नहीं है, एंड कॉलेज लाइफ इज द बेस्ट लाइफ. आई थिंक एनी वन ऑफ अस वुड अग्री टू इट. But yeah, so that is one of those regret which I have कि अगर उस टाइम पे केयरलेस नहीं हुआ होता तो शायद गोल्ड मेडल मिल जाता. ऑल्दो ऐसा नहीं है कि ये मैंने थीसिस गोल्ड मेडल के लिए करी या मेरे को गोल्ड मेडल चाहिए था, but you know, when you work hard and when you're eligible, when you are deserving and you don't get it, you do feel bad. So ठीक है, but so all the best for that. uh, this is just a bit zoomed in, and I don't think this is the right time. We don't have that much time to go into depths of this. But if any of you want to discuss this or any other thing which I'm going to present later, you can always get in touch with me. Yeah, so as I mentioned that I was highly inspired by architect Charles Correa. We had this subject as advanced study. For it, I chose a topic of understanding and implying design principles of architect Charles Correa. So this is the work that I did before my thesis, and uh, this was taught to me by architect Kavita Khatri. She was our faculty, and so I was discussing my thesis with her in the beginning कि कैसे करना है, कैसे आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, क्या है, क्या नहीं है. Because the thing with Museum of Architecture is कि उसमें आप directly कोई case study इंडिया में नहीं कर सकते. There are no particular space in such a way which which houses or which stores or which celebrates Indian architecture or Indian architects. So, in fact, in 2014, Charles Correa himself had to transfer most of his models and drawings to RIBA in London so that they can store it and they can preserve it. We didn't have or don't even have any such space. So for this to get an inspiration, when I started studying architect Charles Correa, I started sketching his work. Like I am sure many of you must have seen कि library में एक Charles Correa की नाम की book है, front red and back is blue, और उसमें ये काफी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स भी है. तो वो लेके और बाकी और प्रोजेक्ट्स उनके ऑनलाइन देख के और सब करके आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड स्केचिंग जो भी उन्होंने कर रखा था कि क्या हाइलाइट्स थे. एंड व्हेन आई वाज इन दैट प्रोसेस आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड कि उन्होंने क्या करा है एंड उसके पीछे क्या रीजंस हो सकते हैं. For example, if you can see this justice to site, so this is a particular university project of a hostel project of a university, एंड यहाँ पे ये ट्रीज पहले से ही प्लांटेड थे. तो जो उनका बाउंड वॉल का प्रोफाइल था बिल्डिंग का, वो इस तरह से करा था कि किसी भी ट्री को हार्म नहीं होना चाहिए, प्रोवाइडिंग मैक्सिमम जस्टिस टू द साइट. एंड प्लीज डोंट माइंड माय स्केचेस, ये इनका पर्पस बस यही था कि मैं समझ जाऊं दीज आर नॉट अप टू द मार्क. आई होप आप सबकी स्केचिंग इससे ज़्यादा बेटर हो. एंड yeah, so basically this was about my thesis. Okay, now coming to few of my projects, and basically when we discussed about this talk with Shruti ma'am, and she was very kind enough to let me know that I have some time to present my work to showcase it. But the truth is that I just don't want to showcase my project in the way that I am trying to show you what I did. But what I'm going to try to do is to make you guys understand of the challenges that I faced or the issues that I had during these projects. And I think that is the only criteria for choosing these particular completed projects. So this first one, we have termed it as Nirvana 27, and it was a landscaping project. So this was the image of the site before any of the work started. And as you can see, this particular image was taken at 3 in the noon. And you can see that there is no direct sunlight because this particular piece of land was surrounded by 3-4 floor buildings on all 3 sides. तो उसका रिजल्ट ये था कि ग्राउंड पे ग्रास पे प्रॉपरली सनलाइट पहुंच नहीं पा रही थी. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे वांटेड टू रिमूव दिस नेचुरल ग्रास एंड पुट आर्टिफिशियल ग्रास. एंड उससे पहले ये 3 बार ग्रास और इनफैक्ट टॉप सॉइल हम सब कुछ चेंज करके देख चुके थे. बट जब कुछ भी नहीं हुआ देन वी हैड टू resolute into getting artificial grass. So yeah, this was one sketch that I had to do on the plastered floor itself, क्योंकि जो हमने परगोला जैसे डिजाइन किया वो शाहजहानपुर का ही पहला था. आज से पहले यहाँ पे इस टाइप का कोई ऐसा मेटल का स्ट्रक्चर बना ही नहीं था. मैंने आई रिमेम्बर डिस्टिंक्टली आई कॉल्ड अराउंड 7 and 8 fabricators, but no one even understood कि क्या है ये. They saw the images and images देखने के बाद कि they were like कि हाँ हो जाएगा, कैसे होगा, they had no idea. तो उसका sketch ये पूरा ऐसे करके समझाया, क्योंकि most of the times what happen is कि हम architects तो drawings बना देते हैं, बट जरूरी नहीं है कि वो हर वेंडर को या हर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को उतना इजीली समझ में आए. ये भी हो सकता है कि उन्हें इंग्लिश पढ़नी ही नहीं आती हो, तो हमें ऐसी एक्टिविटीज करनी पड़ती हैं जो कि बहुत जरूरी हो जाती हैं. So this was that. Then this was in the middle of the project. Okay, so I hope you guys can see that there are these two water fountains. Why they are there, I will explain it in the next slide. So yeah, we got these yellow stones. These are known as खाटू पत्थर. ये अंबा जी के पास से ही आते हैं. This was very nice and very beautiful stone. And this is the pergola, half done. And the building you can see in the front is their residence. So basically, clients are doctors. They are very well off. Both the couple are doctor, and this is that particular image after being done. This is from the reflection of that water bowl. Okay, so this water fountain that you can see above, earlier we had planned to put up just one single water fountain, because the clients had one dog. The dog that you can see in the image below, this is a Chow Chow. Chow Chow is a breed of dog, and his name was Tazo. So during the beginning of the project, they had just one dog, and they were like कि ठीक है ये water body हो जाएगी, तो he will play in it, और एक water का जो natural feel है, falling का जो sound है, we will use all that. But what happened was that when we got to the execution work at site, they got another dog, the same breed. So we had to we had to turn this single water fountain into two, so that both can have this, both can enjoy this, and individually भी एक एक का हो जाए. And the best part is that even the client is a very good friend of mine now. And even when today I visit the site, whether it's morning, whether it's noon, or whether it's evening, chances are that either both of them or at least one of them would be here, they would be playing. So this is why this is some of the thing that makes me realize that architecture is much more than brick and mortar. It's even bigger than us. So this particular thing helped me realize that. This is the mural of Buddha that we got under the pagoda. And I don't think there is any other particular challenge that I would like to discuss about this project. Okay, so next one is, so this is basically one of the first residential interior project that I got. And basically the first one that got completed. And the thing that I'm about to discuss is the renovation of this particular room. This was a basically 5-bedded house, but I want to talk particularly about this room only because, as you can see, the width of this room was quite narrow. It was less than 9 feet. So when you place a bed like this, a king size bed, there is no space to do anything. You can't even walk from here to there. In fact, that door that you can see, it doesn't even open fully. So we transformed it into something like this. And the challenge was that this was designed as the owner's daughter's room, and she had a requirement कि मेरे kids भी आएंगे, so we need a extension of bed. So इस bed के आगे जो आपको ये दिख रहा है in the right image, this was basically a couch which can be turned and attached to bed, and you can turn it to keep it as a two-seater sofa. Another thing that I would like to mention about this particular one was that when we started planning it, we realized that the wardrobe which is placed here was the only suitable space for storing it, for getting it there. And the issue was that if we did it in any other material than white without these niches, it would have looked so bulky and so protruding in this bedroom. So we got it in a white glossy finish with some niches and mirror. And the other thing was that since it's just adjacent to a door, what happened was whenever we entered, that 2 feet deep wardrobe becomes quite obstructive. So what we did was we simply placed a full length mirror in the edge of this wardrobe, which resulted in whenever you open the door, you have a feel कि room थोड़ा बड़ा है. It actually looks bigger than it is today. So this was a very minute thing, but it affects and it results quite in a way that we can't imagine. Yeah, I think there's nothing more about this interesting. Okay, yeah. So this is another project of ours, which was quite challenging in itself. It was basically a jewelry shop, and जैसा कि किसी भी कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट में आता है रिनोवेशन में कि जितने टाइम तक उनके शॉप का रिनोवेशन होता है उतने टाइम दे आर नॉट एबल टू मेक अ सेल, उनकी इनकम बंद हो जाती है. सो हमारे इस प्रोजेक्ट में सबसे बड़ा इशू यही था क्योंकि जो इनकी शॉप थी दिस वाज वेरी स्मॉल शॉप. जब हमने इस पे वर्क चालू नहीं किया था उससे पहले इट वाज ओनली 9.5 बाय 9.5. हमने इसको वर्क करा, हमने कुछ कॉलम्स वगैरह ऐसे दिए कि फाइनली ये अराउंड 10.5 बाय 10 की हो गई थी. बट बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें छोटा फील आता था. सो एज यू कैन सी इन लेफ्ट दिस इज द साइट बिफोर and it's taken in ultra wide, so it's still looking a bit large, but it's quite small. In fact, the floor to this wooden ceiling height was only 8 feet. और हमने जब इस सीलिंग को निकलवाया, I think you guys can guess from this man in the right कि इसकी हाइट एक्चुअली में काफी ज्यादा थी स्लैब की, बट वो वुडन सीलिंग काफी नीचे तक हो रखी थी. So we got it all removed. And the interesting thing about this particular site was that it was a jewelry showroom जिसमें खाने से related कुछ नहीं था, किसी चीज का कोई मतलब नहीं था. But when we removed these wooden wall paneling, we found out that there were colonies of rats living inside them because this particular paneling had not been open in the past 60 or 50 odd years. सो इतना ज्यादा मैस हो रखा था सब उसके पीछे. एंड क्लाइंट को इनफैक्ट कन्विंस करने के लिए कि ये काम ही कराना बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल था. बट ठीक है, वो माने, सपोर्ट करा उन्होंने सब कुछ एंड वी गॉट द वर्क स्टार्टेड. So this left one is particularly between the work getting done. As you can see कि हमने बीच में सिर्फ एक ही छोटा सा ऐसे वुडन का जो ड्रॉर का सेट बनना था उसका ही पार्टीशन करके राइट में ही वाज द फादर ऑफ द क्लाइंट. हमने इस तरह से वर्क करा था कि उनका काम स्टार्ट रहे, काम बंद ना हो. इस एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल तक आने के बाद हमने बीच में कर्टेन्स भी डाले थे कि जिससे ठीक है उनको सिर्फ 3 बाय 3 फीट की जगह मिले लेकिन एटलीस्ट काम बंद ना हो. तो उस तरह से इसको मैनेज करने की कोशिश करी थी. एंड ओके, सो देयर इज दिस इमेज ऑन द राइट. आई वांट यू गाइस टू जस्ट फोकस ऑन इट फॉर 10 seconds or something and just try to figure out if there is any major issue that you can find this with this particular image. There is one thing which is wrong about this and जो कि ऐसा था कि हमारे पास उस टाइम पे उसको ऑल्टरनेट करने को या उसको चेंज करने को कुछ भी ऑप्शन नहीं था. सो this was basically, if you can see behind the mirror, under the mirror on the left, in the left bottom corner, there is this mark. And this mark was there because this mark got there because इसके just नीचे हमारी सीटिंग थी. सो ये इशू हमारे पास डिज़ाइन में पहले भी आ रहा था, बट बिकॉज टाइम की कमी थी हमने वॉलपेपर्स जल्दी लगवा दिए थे. एंड हमने उसको ना कोई बैक सपोर्ट था, कुछ भी नहीं था, बस सीटिंग करा के ही दे दिया था. एंड द रिजल्ट वाज जैसा कि हमने एंटिसिपेट करा था कि जब भी सीटिंग होती है अगर उसके पीछे कोई हेड सपोर्ट प्रॉपर नहीं है या कोई बैक नहीं है तो इट रिजल्ट्स इन स्पॉइलिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर वॉल पैच, कि चाहे वो वॉलपेपर हो चाहे पेंट हो कुछ भी हो, बट वो डार्कन होगा ही होगा. सो ये एक अनदर बहुत छोटा सा एग्जांपल है, बट दीज आर सम थिंग्स व्हिच वी शुड एज एन आर्किटेक्ट ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन एंड ट्राई टू हैव अ क्लियर थिंग अबाउट कि ये चीज़ें भी हमारी सब चीज़ों को अफेक्ट करती हैं. सिर्फ ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमारी शॉप ब्राइट दिख रही है, बड़ी दिख रही है, बट ये सारी चीज़ें भी नहीं होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि आर्किटेक्चर इज़ नॉट जस्ट कि हमने शॉप बना दी और काम खत्म हो गया. हमने तो जब हमारा काम एज एन आर्किटेक्ट खत्म हुआ है उसके बाद ही तो एक्चुअली हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स की लाइफ स्टार्ट होती है. So we should always keep that in mind. This was their inauguration, and this was the final front. And another reason why architecture is much more than shiny, bright things is that in particular context, you can see that the surrounding of our site is quite mundane. And to be brutally honest, after completion of this project, I guess around a month or 2 months later, the client came to our office and he actually started crying. Like he had actual tears in his eyes. And the reason was that he was so happy with this work that his sale had increased. क्योंकि किसी भी क्लाइंट के लिए या किसी भी शॉप ओनर के लिए उससे बड़ी कोई चीज़ नहीं होती कि कुछ हमने डिज़ाइन करा, कुछ हमने वर्क करा, कुछ हमने प्रोजेक्ट ऐसा करा जिससे कि अगर क्लाइंट की सेल इंक्रीज हो रही है, कि उनकी कमाई बढ़ रही है, उनकी इनकम बढ़ रही है, तो आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनीथिंग व्हिच इज बिगर देन दैट. आई थिंक this is the way we should provide justice to each and every project of ours. Yeah, so I think this sums up that. Now, these are some of our current projects. Because time का भी limitation है, I'm not going to go in much details about these. I will just explain a little about them. This is basically a factory office जहाँ पे रबर टायर पायरोलिसिस का प्लांट है, तो उसके जस्ट पास में ये फैक्ट्री ऑफिस है. एंड द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग थिंग अबाउट दिस प्रोजेक्ट वाज दैट क्लाइंट्स का जो थिंकिंग है वो काफ़ी ऑर्थोडॉक्स था. सो हमें उसको चेंज करने में बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगी, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगा. In fact, as you can see, there is this niche within this wall जहाँ पे हमने एक इंटरनल छोटा सा कोर्टयार्ड जैसा देने का ट्राई करा था, और एक इनका जो मास्टर केबिन है, जो बॉस केबिन है, उसके साइड में हमने छोटा सा लैंडस्केप एरिया डेवलप करा है, जिसकी इमेजेस आई विल बी शेयरिंग वंस इट गेट्स डेवलप्ड. So this was that. Secondly, yeah, this is another one. This particular image is of a bedroom. So the client wanted to have a bathtub in his bedroom. And I, being an architect myself, was not absolutely ready for it. I tried to explain to him कि ठीक है, 3 महीने बाद 6 महीने बाद you would get bored because this is neither a jacuzzi, this is a soak-in bathtub. भरने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, सब कुछ होता है. बट इनफैक्ट जब उसने अपने पेरेंट्स को भी बताया या जब उसने अपने फ्रेंड से भी डिस्कस किया, दे वर मोर स्केप्टिकल अबाउट इट देन मी. दे वर लाइक यार तू बोर हो जाएगा, क्या करेगा, महंगा होता है, XYZ reasons. But the client was adamant. I asked him thrice about this, and once he was resolute कि नहीं, bathtub मेरे को चाहिए भाई, मुझे पसंद है, he likes it. So ultimately we got it in place, and after I think after about 1 year after the project was completed, he got married, and even his wife was so happy with this कि यार मुझे भी bathtubs बहुत पसंद है और हम लोग weekend getaways पे जाते थे just to enjoy bathtubs and water bodies. तो ये उनको बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. And this particular image is just across that bathtub. This is their reading area, and ये भी हमने उसी बेडरूम में डिज़ाइन किया था. एंड इसमें जो आपको लेफ्ट में क्लोजेट दिख रही है, दिस इज बेसिकली सीक्रेट क्लोजेट. ये ओपन हो जाती है, इसके नीचे पूरी यूनिक स्टोरेज है, because this was the another requirement of the client. तो बेसिकली एज एन आर्किटेक्ट आपके लिए सबसे प्रायोरिटी पे यही होना चाहिए कि चाहे अगर वो आपका कॉलेज का डिज़ाइन है पर्टिकुलर या ऑफिस का है कुछ भी है, फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी पे होनी चाहिए कि हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स को हमें जो देना ज़रूरी है तो वो ज़रूरी है। एंड अगर बाय चांस कोई चीज़ ऐसी है जो क्लाइंट को भी बहुत ज़्यादा चाहिए है तो वी शुड ऑलवेज कीप दैट इन माइंड। फॉर एग्जाम्पल जस्ट अभी मैंने एक रेसिडेंस का प्लान करा है, उसका भूमि पूजन अभी लास्ट वीक ही हुआ है। एंड just while I was talking with them, I was interacting with the clients, he mentioned it in a very absent-minded way कि जो उनके फादर हैं उनकी अब एज ज़्यादा हो गई है तो वो शॉप पे नहीं जाते हैं, बट उन्हें वो अकाउंट्स मैनेज करना, जैसे हम लोकल लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं बही खाते, वो बही खाते उन्हें मेंटेन करने का देखने का शौक है। ऑब्वियसली जिस इंसान ने अपनी एज में मे बी 30 से लेके 75 की एज तक सिर्फ काम करा हो तो उन्हें ऑब्वियसली घर पे बैठना सिर्फ अच्छा नहीं लगता। सो without discussing with the client, what I did was I gave a reading room adjacent to the grandparents room, and he was so happy on seeing that particular room कि यार इसका हमने आपसे बोला नहीं था, we didn't specify it as a requirement, बट आप इतना खुश मतलब आपने इसको इनकॉर्पोरेट करा, वी कांट टेल यू हाउ हैप्पी वी आर, बट दैट वाज सच अ स्मॉल थिंग फॉर मी एंड सच अ ह्यूज थिंग फॉर हिम। So that is how we change people's life. This is another project of ours.
Shlok, I would
Yes, ma'am.
Shlok, I'm sorry to interrupt. I would want
Yes,
to know in the previous slides that apart
Yes,
from carving out the spaces and the interiors, are you into designing furnitures as well? Because this chair looks a little unusual. No, the chair part and it looks a little unusual. That's why I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am. We are into furniture designing as well, because I think to fabricating and getting a particular interior done, I think we have to be involved in as many particular stages as we can. Like डोर के हैंडल्स या डोर के लैचेस चूज करने से लेके एसी कौन सा लगना है उस तक में सब में हमारा इन्वॉल्वमेंट होना चाहिए। लाइक इनफैक्ट अभी मैं एक कैफे डिजाइन कर रहा हूँ और उस कैफे के कटलरी लेने भी क्लाइंट के साथ मैं गया था। उस कैफे का मैम नाम भी रखवाने में मैंने हेल्प करी थी, बिकॉज उस पूरी फील को कैसा आएगा, कैसा वो होगा, कौन बैठ के उस पर कैसे खाना खाएगा, ये एज एन आर्किटेक्ट हम समझ सकते हैं बट ओनर नहीं समझ सकता उसको इतना इजीली।
Yeah, I agree. Okay, so I just wanted to ask because the chair looks unusual, and I somehow felt that this might have to do with you. I mean, you might have suggested or you might have designed it. So that's why I was a little curious. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, we
Anyways,
did
yeah,
it.
you can continue.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So yeah, this particular project, we have termed it as Humble Abode. So the client is a seasoned traveler, like he's not much older. I think he must be around 3 years older than me, but he has been to major parts of Europe. He has a simple logic that uh, he works very hard for 3 months and then he goes off to Europe or Goa or any place like that, and stays there for a month or so. And he's a huge fan of Goa. I think he goes there in every 3 or 4 months and he stays there. So, and he's very much into meditation and yoga. So this particular site was such that यहाँ पे पहले सिर्फ शैबी सा स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ था, ऊपर शीट्स पड़ी हुई थी जीआई की। हमने उन सबको रिमूव करा के वॉल्स पूरी वापस करी और हमने इसमें आर्चेस का रोल प्ले करा। इनफैक्ट अनदर यूनिक थिंग अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट इज कि हमने इसमें अंदर टेराजो फ्लोरिंग कराई है। हमने वॉल्स पे पेंट की जगह सीमेंट ऑक्साइड कराया है और वॉल में अंदर जितने भी निशेस हैं या जितने भी वॉल और वॉल के जितने भी एजेस हैं, वी हैव केप्ट देम इन सर्कुलर वे और उन सबको शार्प एजेस अवॉइड करने की हमने कोशिश करी है, जिससे कि एक अनएंडिंग फील रहे, एक पूरी जैसी उन्हें वाइब चाहिए उसको मैच करे। राइट में जो आपको एक सिंगल डोर दिख रहा है वो उनका वॉशरूम है। उसकी भी इमेजेस अभी मेरे पास में नहीं है, आई विल बी पोस्टिंग देम सून ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। एंड इनका सारा फर्नीचर भी हमारा प्योर वुड का है, और ये स्पेस हमने ऐसे बनाने की कोशिश की है कि जिसमें जितने भी आर्टिफिशियल मटेरियल्स हैं आज के टाइम के, उन सबको हमने अवॉइड करने की कोशिश करी है। जितनी भी चीज़ें जैसे पहले होती थी हमने उन सबको इनकॉर्पोरेट करने की कोशिश करी है। सो दिस इज दैट। एंड या सो ये आज सुबह की ही इमेज है। दिस इज फ्रॉम अनदर रेसिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट विच हैज़ जस्ट स्टार्टेड। ये हमारे इसका भूमि पूजन कल ही हुआ है, और इट इज़ अराउंड 3000 स्क्वायर फीट। और इस प्रोजेक्ट में पर्टिकुलरली सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे लिए चैलेंजिंग ये होने वाला है कि क्लाइंट ने, बिकॉज किसी एक पर्टिकुलर राजमिस्त्री को, नॉट अ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर बट पर्टिकुलर राजमिस्त्री को अपने बोला था 6 महीने पहले कि यार मैं घर बनवाऊंगा तो तुमसे बनवाऊंगा। सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट उन्होंने किसी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को हायर नहीं करा और राजमिस्त्री को हायर करा है। एंड आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, क्योंकि उन लोग को पर्टिकुलरली राजमिस्त्री को, इन सबको अपने लिए एक पर्टिकुलर माइंडसेट इनका हो जाता है, और उन्हें ड्राइंग्स भी रीड करनी नहीं आती। तो ऑब्वियसली उस केस में हमारा साइट विजिट्स बढ़ जाती है। इनफैक्ट आज सुबह ही द क्लाइंट एंड द मिस्त्री केम टू माय हाउस एट 8 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग, क्योंकि उससे पहले 2 दिन मिस्त्री ने अपनी किसी रीज़न से उसकी छुट्टी हो गई थी, वो आज ही आया था काम करने। एंड ऑल्दो मैं उसे सारी ड्राइंग सब कुछ ऑफिस में बुला के समझा चुका था, बट स्टिल उन्हें समझ में नहीं आई थी। तो 8:30 पे मेरी मदर ने मेरे को उठाया कि कोई आया है। ऑब्वियसली आई वाज स्लीपिंग लेट, क्योंकि रात में थोड़ा लेट काम कर रहा था, बट कोई आया है। माय फर्स्ट थॉट वाज कि यार ये क्या मजाक है यार, कोई प्रोफेशनलिज्म नहीं है, ऐसे क्या होता है, ये क्या होता है, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, नहीं करना मेरे को काम। दोस वर माय फर्स्ट थॉट्स, जो मे बी शायद किसी के भी होंगे। But 2 seconds later, I took some deep breaths, and I realized कि who am I? This particular residence, this particular project, this work is much more larger than me. हम सब से ज़्यादा बड़ा है ये। एंड ठीक है, आई गॉट अप, आई गॉट फ्रेशन अप, आई वेंट टू द साइट, पूरा समझाया, मेजरमेंट्स वगैरह सब कुछ हुए, एंड अब इस पे स्मूथली वर्क हो रहा है। लेट्स सी कब तक रहता है स्मूथली। Okay, so yeah, up till now I talked about challenges that I faced during my practice up till now and my thesis. And now I have this thing why we don't need star architects. This is basically from a particular TED talk that I listened to. I hope some of you must have listen to it as well. If you haven't, just give me a call or a text. I will send you the link to it. You should listen to it. So, before we start, um uh, ma'am, do we have a chat kind of option in here?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, we have it.
Okay. So
Uh,
basically,
can you see on the top bar
right. If I stop sharing,
where
right.
where you can share? No. Next to the sharing button, can you see a message icon?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You click on that message icon. The text box opens. Okay, here you can copy, paste, or write any text and enter it. So it goes to all the participants present in the meet.
Okay, actually, I'm unable to get it, so I would request everyone else. So basically, what I want to ask you is that can any one of you, including ma'am, can any one of you name 3 famous Japanese architects of older times? Anyone, if you even know, just raise your hand or just send a message. Yeah, I don't think anyone is responding. At least I can't see it. So, this is the thing that I would like to talk about now is that
Tadawando, maybe?
no, ma'am, he was not Japanese. And you might have even thought about IM Pai. He was also Chinese. The thing is that these cultures, Chinese, Vietnamese, Japanese, what they have in common is that they themselves treat architecture as something way bigger than their architects. Because as we think about architects from Europe, Bernini or Michelangelo, or went into a particular style of architecture. They tried to impose and design their own particular way, but Chinese and Japanese architects especially didn't have that particular mindset. So related to that, this is a project done by Shi Zhang. I hope I am pronouncing her name correctly. And this is a residence she did in Kyoto. And one very peculiar thing I think you can see about this project is, which is way different to our residences in India, is that these balconies are protruding inwards instead of outwards. ये कैंटिलीवर्स पे आगे आने की जगह दे आर गोइंग बैक. इनफैक्ट अगर आप लेफ्ट में भी रेसिडेंसेस देखेंगे तो ज्यादातर सब में बालकनीज पीछे जा रही हैं, रोड से पीछे है. And they have such a unique reason for it, which is they their bylaws state that the vision to the sky of a pedestrian is protected. Like each and every single human is entitled and have rights to look up at the sky whenever they want to. तो हमारे रेसिडेंसेस या हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स ऐसे नहीं होने चाहिए जो उसको ब्रेक करे. और यूजुअली हमारे इंडिया में या मेजरली और कंट्रीज में क्या होता है कि हम सेटबैक्स में बालकनीज को सबको आगे बढ़ाते हैं कि हमें बिल्ट अप एरिया ज़्यादा मिले, हमें कारपेट एरिया ज़्यादा मिले, हम ज़्यादा कवर कर पाएँ. बट दिस इज सच अ टाइनी थिंग, बट कितना ज़्यादा थॉटफुल है ये. So I think we must try to learn about different cultures as well. Okay, this another one is this is basically Naramdeshwar Mahadev Mandir. It's near to my hometown in Lakhimpur, and this was built by some Maharaja in some 1700s. And this is basically a temple for Lord Shiva. इसमें जो ये सबसे ऊपर में आपको बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म दिख रहा है, मेन मंदिर यहाँ पे है, शिवलिंग यहाँ पे है. एंड ही वाज एडवाइज्ड बाय सम ऑफ हिज स्पिरिचुअल गुरु और समवन कि आपको कुछ ऐसा करना है कि मेंढक के ऊपर आपको महादेव को बनाना है, तो आपका जो एम्पायर है वो स्टेबल रहेगा, सब कुछ सही रहेगा. तो दिस इज दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट. एंड ऑल्दो आज के टाइम में सो उन्होंने उस टाइम पे ये करा था, एंड उस टाइम पे भी जो ये ऊपर वाला प्लेटफॉर्म है विच इज़ क्वाइट हाई फ्रॉम द अबव द ग्राउंड, इन्होंने वहाँ पे भी एक वेल दिया था. और जैसे कि आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ यू माइट नो कि शिव जी के मंदिर में शिवलिंग पे सबको पानी चढ़ाना होता है, तो उन्होंने इसलिए वहाँ पे कुआं उस लेवल पे अप दिया था कि पानी चढ़ाना ईजी हो. बट as you can see that there are these niches, and इनके इम्प्रिंट से और डलने से you can see कि इनमें से पानी निकलता है. तो उन्होंने ये उस टाइम पे ही विदाउट एनी प्रॉपर नॉलेज और एजुकेशन उन्होंने ये इसको इस तरह से बनाया था कि जो शिव जी पे पानी चढ़ता है वो किसी ड्रेन में वेस्ट होने की जगह वो इन निशेस के थ्रू फॉल होता हुआ आए, और अल्टीमेटली ये मेंढक का जो मुंह है इससे निकले और ये हमारे को वापस ग्राउंड में जाए. इन्होंने बोरवेल करा के रिचार्ज पेड बना रखा है विच इज कनेक्टेड टू दैट वेल. तो ये पूरी एक वाटर की साइकिल चल रही है, एंड दिस इज सो थॉटफुल. बट क्या आपको लगता है कि किसी आर्किटेक्ट ने सोचा होगा या किसी डिजाइनर ने सोचा होगा? दिस इज जस्ट बेसिकली सेंसफुल एंड लॉजिकल थिंकिंग. बहुत ही बेसिक चीज़ है बट बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है. ऑल्दो आज के टाइम में ये मेंढक सिर्फ और सिर्फ सेल्फीज और ऐसे फोटोग्राफ्स लेने के काम में आता है. इसमें पानी के बीच में ब्लॉकेज हो गई थी, अब उससे वापस सफाई वगैरह करा रहे हैं. बट आज से कितने साल पहले भी लोग उन चीज़ों के बारे में सोच लेते थे जो आजकल बहुत बार हम एज एन आर्किटेक्ट भी भूल जाते हैं. So that is why I think times are such, requirement is such that instead of star architects, we need people with more logic, more sense, and more contextual thinking, and who try to make a change in the world. Uh, okay, so I think this brings us to last of our uh, presentation. These are some of the things that I believe that we are not taught, neither in college or nor in school or nor somewhere else. These are some of those things which architecture practice or my projects or my clients taught me. So this is basically my cabin. This is the mess after one of the meeting with a client for just one bedroom. तो कॉलेज में हमें जूरीज के टाइम पे तो प्रेशर होता था अपनी चीज़ें मॉडल सब बेस्ट वे में प्रेजेंट करने का, बट कभी हमें ये नहीं पता होता कि एक्चुअली में क्लाइंट को प्रेजेंटेशन देते टाइम कैसे कितना मैस होता है, कितनी चीज़ों का आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. सेकेंडली अबाउट स्केल, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं इतने छोटे प्रोजेक्ट पे भी इतना छोटा प्रोजेक्ट भी मेरे पास आएगा. बट दिस वॉज अ मंदिर. बेसिकली मैं एक क्लाइंट का ऑफिस का वर्क कर रहा था, एंड ऐसे कोई डिस्कशन हुआ तो उन्होंने बताया कि उन्हें उनका कोई कुल देवी का मंदिर है कहीं पे, उन्हें वहां जाना है, बट उसके लिए उन्हें एक पोर्टेबल मंदिर नहीं है कोई. तो आई काइंड ऑफ गॉट दिस डन एंड आई गिफ्टेड दिस टू देम एज अ प्रोजेक्ट. तो ये आई थिंक मेरा शायद अब तक का सबसे छोटा प्रोजेक्ट कंसिडर कर सकते हैं इसको. एंड ओके, another thing which we are not taught in college or anywhere else is ki, where do we decide the line, where do we create that line which should be there, कि प्रोजेक्ट ज़रूरी है, प्रोजेक्ट से जो हमारे को रीइंबर्समेंट होना है वो ज़रूरी है, क्या प्रोजेक्ट को जस्टिस ज़रूरी है. For example, this is one of the college project that I was doing, and being into just 2 years of my practice, I had gotten this project. This was such a huge deal for me कि वरना इतनी young firm को कैसे कोई project मिलता है. This was its elevation, and I had to leave this project just after casting of second slab. बिकॉज आई रियलाइज कि बड़े प्रोजेक्ट के इन्फ्लुएंस में आके आई एम compromising, I'm starting to compromise on my design, which would ultimately result in problems to the ultimate users, which are going to be majorly students and then teachers. किसी भी कॉलेज या एजुकेशनल बिल्डिंग के लिए मेजर यूजर्स स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स ही हैं. तो हमारी सारी चीज़ें इस तरह से ओरिएंटेड होनी चाहिए कि वो उनको हेल्प करे, उनको असिस्ट करे. बट आई रियलाइज कि ड्यू टू सम डिफरेंसेस विद द क्लाइंट वो इस लेवल पे नहीं आ रहे थे. सो आई हैड टू लीव दिस प्रोजेक्ट बिकॉज आई कुडंट माई सेल्फ डू जस्टिस टू इट. तो that's it. Okay, another one. So this was basically an office project that we did, and as you can see, उस दिन मौसम बहुत अच्छा था, बारिश हो रही थी, and we had this plantation done, which was kind of in a way कि उसे थोड़ा एक जंगल का फील रहे. अब बिकॉज क्लाइंट की ये ड्रीम्स थे, ये एस्पिरेशंस थे कि मेरे को ऐसा चाहिए कि मेरे बैकड्रॉप पे पूरा ग्लास रहे. आई वांट टू हैव अ बेटर कनेक्टिविटी विद ग्रीन्स, एंड उस वजह से हमने इसे फिक्स क्लास करा था, सब कुछ करा था. बट लेटर ऑन क्लाइंट रियलाइज, जो कि मैंने उन्हें पहले वार्न भी करा था, कि फिक्स क्लासेस करने से इशू ये आता है कि आपको एयर के सफोकेशन की दिक्कत होगी. Now, since this office located in a very highly densely populated industrial area, तो यहाँ पे बाहर का शोर, बाहर का स्मेल, बाहर का पोल्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा आता है. उन्होंने अपने ऑफिस में एक एयर क्लीनर भी लगाया, विंडोज़ भी हमने चेंज करा के कुछ साइड वाली एल्यूमिनियम की ओपनेबल कराई, सब कुछ कराई, बट स्टिल उन्हें वो फील प्रॉपर वेंटिलेशन का आ ही नहीं पा रहा था. So I am still in the middle of this thing कि we have to find a way जिससे कि बाहर का ऑक्सीजन आ जाए, फ्रेश एयर आ जाए, लेकिन पोल्यूशन और शोर ना आए. So if any one of you has any idea about it, I would really like to hear about it. नेक्स्ट थिंग वाज कि ये एक हमारा टाउनशिप का प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है जिसमें एक ये कॉर्नर प्लॉट है छोटा सा. एंड व्हाट वी डिड वाज कि जैसे ही इनकी सबकी ग्राउंड फ्लोर की छत स्लैब कास्ट हो गया था, वी गॉट दीज ट्रीज इन देयर प्लेस. कि ये जो हमारी जो रोड के साइड के ट्रीज हैं इस टाउनशिप के, उन सब में हम ये ट्रीज प्लांट करें. रीजन बीइंग कि अंदर जो किसी ओनर की अपनी प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी होगी, हम उसमें तो लैंडस्केपिंग में इंटरफेरेंस नहीं कर सकते, सबका अपना अपना पर्सनल विल होता है. बट जो बाहर का रोड का पब्लिक एरिया है, हम उसमें चेंजेस कर सकते हैं अपने हिसाब से. तो हमने वहाँ पे ट्रीज लगाए थे. एंड अब ये है कि जो भी वहाँ पे प्रॉस्पेक्ट ओनर्स और क्लाइंट्स भी आते हैं, उन्हें ये लैंडस्केपिंग देख के इतनी अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ, अगर घर पूरा रेडी नहीं भी है, एटलीस्ट वहाँ पे प्लांटेशन फ्लावर्स पहले से ही आ रहे हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है ये उन्हें देख के. So basically, I am one of those people who try to learn and evolve in any way they can, because there is one great saying, I don't know whose it is, but it is said that we are only as young as the last time we changed our mind. So these days, I am one of those management ninja wannabes. And I think all must have heard Anupama Kundu's name. She recently got the RIBA Gold Medal Award. And I was listening to one of her interviews, and she said this thing which hit me so hard, that time is a resource we are not spending properly. People are eager to save other resources, maybe money, maybe their health, and anything, but people usually don't care about time. And but they don't mind spending their time carelessly. And as an architect, we practice architecture, तो हमारे लिए time management इतना ज़्यादा important है. And I request all of you to get into this habit of managing your time properly from now onwards as well. ये आपको लाइफ में हर जगह हेल्प करेगा. Secondly, I don't know how many of you know about this, but there is this software known as Notion. So this is basically a list of all the projects that we have currently ongoing. So it's quite helpful. I think you should search and try to use it if you can. It is Notion, Notion, and yeah, this is basically a list of things that I had planned to discuss with you guys. I had even noted them and to keep a record. So yeah, I think this is the concluding. I think I don't have anything else to present right now, and I think time is also up. Yeah, 1 hour 2 minutes. And so if any one of
That
you
is
wants to,
fine.
okay, ma'am. So if any one of you wants to get in touch with us, you can scan this QR code, and it will lead you to our Insta page. You can get in touch, and you can text us to get the link to this PPT or for any drawings of the projects that we have done. जैसे भी आपको हेल्प चाहिए हो, बिकॉज ये चीज़ मेरे को एक और आर्किटेक्ट ने सिखाई थी कि if someone is being helped by my work or by my project, तो ये अच्छा ही है कि अगर वो कुछ अच्छी चीज़ से improve कर रहे हैं. So if you need anything, just give me a text. And yeah, ma'am, I think that's it. I think now we can have that interactive session.
Yeah. So, Churchill, sorry, Shlok, sorry, because I just saw Churchill's name, that's why I miss.
No issues, ma'am. No issues.
So Shlok, I would like to let you know that a lot of your friends from your batch have joined, from your senior batch and from your junior batch has also joined to, listen to you. So,
Okay, that's great.
for all the participants who are here listening to Shlok, we can have a 5 to 10 minutes open session to interact with him. Just one request: whosoever wants to interact, raise your hand. We'll call your name. You can switch on your camera so that Shlok also can see whom he's talking to. You can also see him and then kind of interact. So this will be just a short 10-minute. We'll not take everybody's question, but a short 8 to 10 minute session, because we've already exceeded our time slot, I suppose. So anybody would want to ask any question or just say hi, hello to Shlok. It's easier. Yeah, Megha wants to say something. Megha Dasodia.
Hello, sir.
I can see.
Hello, Megha.
It was really nice.
Megha,
मतलब-
can you switch on camera? Can you switch on your
Yeah,
camera,
sure,
Megha?
ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Let everybody also see. Na, we have students, current students of
Am I visible?
Purnima University. Yes, you are.
Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, Megha, you're
Hello,
visible,
ma'am.
you're
Hello,
audible, you
sir.
can.
It
Hello,
was a
Megha.
really nice idea,
Hi.
first of all, to have this alumni meet, and I really liked it. And thank you, sir. Like, not every architect not share your problems of the project. No, सब अपना अच्छा अच्छा ही बताते हैं कि मैंने ये किया. But I really like the idea कि आपने वो सब problems put up किया कि क्या क्या problems project में हमको ongoing projects में आती है. So it was really nice. Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Thank you, Megha.
And basically, this was the concept only.
Anybody
कि
else?
मेरे से अच्छा काम तो बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं. I think सभी कर रहे होंगे. But जो मैं गलतियां कर रहा हूँ, एटलीस्ट वो मैं शेयर कर पाऊँ जिससे कि कोई और वो रिपीट ना करे.
Yeah, that was really nice.
Thank
you.
Anybody else who would want to have a
Sir,
word with Shlok?
Hello, Akshay. How are you?
Akshay, yeah.
fine, sir. The speech was really nice, and the dog one with two fountain, that experience was really nice.
Thank
And like jewelry shop crying, so people coming over to you again. That means the project is got successful, and you are
Right.
getting connections with it. So
राइट एंड आई थिंक कि उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट में कनेक्शंस या उसकी फीस ये सब सेकेंडरी है. अगर क्लाइंट प्रोजेक्ट के बाद में भी अगर सेटिस्फाइड है तो देयर इज नथिंग बिगर देन दैट.
yes, that means the project has been successful.
Yeah, you can say it that way. Thank you so much.
Hmm. Best
Anyone
of
from the
luck for
current
the
batches who would want
projects.
to ask any
Thank-
question? There are few current batch students who are here. Fourth year,
Yeah, you
final
can.
year students.
Yeah, you can ask about any of your issues in thesis or anything.
Yeah, don't be shy to interact. Okay, if you'll not open your mouth, you'll never know. As simple as that. So don't think that Shlok is going to judge you, or we are going to judge you, or your alumni who are here are going to judge you. No, we are here to connect and help each other. That's the only bottom line why we are here. So anything you would want to ask?
Yeah, because कोई चीज अगर आपको ऐसा भी लग रहा हो कि बहुत छोटी हो, मैं क्या पूछूं, तो हो सकता है कि वो किसी और की भी हेल्प करे. So
Yeah,
अगर
exactly.
किसी के भी माइंड में अगर कुछ भी क्वेश्चन है, so just straight away go ahead and ask it.
I'll just wait for a minute. If anybody raises
Okay.
their hands, then fine. Otherwise, I don't want to, keep you occupied and waste your time. Last sentence and last slide said that time is a very resourceful thing, and I think if we don't
Exactly.
start now, then when? So we'll
Yes.
just wait for a minute. If anybody
एक और
who
बात,
would, हाँ.
हाँ, अक्षय.
हम लोग बहुत अलग अलग भी सुनते हैं. We listen in other architects also, but we don't feel their emotions and all. But we know you, so we can understand. So getting success stories from our known, I think that is more better, and getting encouragement to do more such works from you.
No,
Akshay,
actually,
your Shlok's junior batch, right?
yes, ma'am.
He's my senior.
Okay. Okay.
So basically, Akshay, the thing is that we have to find the balance. Obviously, कि जब कोई और famous architects या कोई और जो field में हमसे बहुत ज़्यादा senior हैं, उनसे अगर हम कुछ interaction करते हैं, तो वो जो हमें insights दे सकते हैं, जो हमें teachings दे सकते हैं, वो एक अलग level की होंगी. And जो हम लोग हैं, अगर ये हम अपने junior schools दे पाएं, तो वो अलग level की होंगी. I think both are important. बट ये इनिशिएटिव मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम का कि वी गेट टू इंटरेक्ट विद आवर जूनियर्स एज वेल.
इनिशियल फेजेस के जो स्ट्रगल होते हैं वो पता पड़ता है, एंड इट मेक्स द लाइक हाँ भाई हम भी बिजनेस कर सकते हैं, हम भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो मेनी ऑफ द पीपल नहीं हम तो ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं, कर लेंगे जो भी स्ट्रगल करना है।
नहीं वो तो है ही, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग विद समवन, व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग अंडर समवन, सबसे मेन चीज तो ये है कि आपका रिस्क बहुत मिनिमम होता है. You just have to focus on the work that is given to you. एक्स्ट्रा इनपुट्स आप जितने दो वो सब आपके ही एक्स्ट्रा है, फर्म की ग्रोथ का है, तो वही है.
So okay, I think apart from Akshay and Megha, no one actually dared to, or they were actually mesmerized by your work, or they were inspired by your work. I don't know, or your talk, or your calm way of presenting everything. I don't know.
नहीं
But
मैम,
let's
मेरे को लग रहा है मेजरली
hope for the
सब
best.
सिर्फ ऑन करके चले गए हैं, जैसे कि शायद हम लोग भी करते अपने
Yeah,
कॉलेज टाइम पे.
नहीं हम लोग नहीं तुम्हारे टाइम पे ऑनलाइन कहाँ कुछ था, सर अभी तो ऑफलाइन था. So that is okay, but I'm just hoping that at least one person they got to learn from this today's session. Let's not waste time. I would want to conclude the session by saying this and thanking Shlok Modi to giving us this time to us to our current students and even his batchmates and other juniors and seniors. And one more thing I would like to point out here is Shlok has despite being occupied with work and everything, he has taken out time to come and work with us on this alumni platform. So Shlok is one member who is working to get alumni together. Am I right? In coordination with Akanksha ma'am and other faculties and department. So I hope this kind of enthusiasm, passion, and time management skills, everybody could learn from you. Apart from that, Shlok's details are on the posters. If you need to connect to him, if you want to learn from him, if you want to do internship, 2 months internship, 1 month internship, if you're in UP, in his hometown, you can surely do that. I suppose they can.
Yes, ma'am, they absolutely can. And actually, this is something that I absolutely forgot. It was noted in that list, but I still managed to forget it. This is that basically I have an idea about a book related to architecture, for which I need some students and someone who can help me. So if any of you guys who are listening and if you are interested in writing a book about architecture with me, so just give me a text or give me a call. I need some help.
We'll definitely do it, Shlok. So let's see who would want to volunteer. We'll ask our alumni as well, so who would want to be part of your journey and do some content writing. So we'll follow up with the book as well. And thank you, Shlok, from bottom of our hearts to giving up this time. And I hope you all the very. I hope you're safe and healthy, and all the best to you for your future endeavors. And I hope you will be free for our department anytime we ask you to give some time
Yes,
for us. Okay, thank you so much. Thank
you so much.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you everyone for joining in. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shlok. Thank you.
चर्चिल अभी बोल रहा है.
अरे नहीं, मैं सुन
जब